How to create the suppliers? When we want to create a request for the quotation, we should have the supplier details in our database. So let's create a supplier details in our application. I'm going to log in as admin. Go to menu. Go to construction management menu. Come under address book, vendors. Here we manage all our suppliers. So you can see some of the suppliers are already created. So to create a new supplier, click create button. Here we can choose individual or company, because supplier can be individual or company, right? So and enter the supplier name, email ID, and address, and click save. If you want to give some portal access to the supplier, then to see their request for the quotation and all other details, then you can create a vendor user, okay, by clicking the create vendor user button. Okay, once you click the button, then the supplier will get notified via email to change their password to access the portal. Okay, create vendor user. Now the vendor will get notified by email, by the mentioned email. Okay, that's how we can create the suppliers in the wood.